They didn't kill my
Nigga,
what?
fuck that nigga. He's a bitch just like you, nigga.
Oh, you those bitch ass niggas from yesterday.
Hey, hold
Nah,
on.
yo, hey,
Hey,
look, nigga, you's a bitch too, nigga.
Hey,
On BDN, you a hoe.
take my dick out your mouth, bitch
Stop.
hey,
ass nigga.
why you just hazing me, bro? You got so many people you gotta tase. The fuck is you got going on, cuz?
Spit in that nigga butt. Pause. Why you
Yeah,
take
man. I'm not bad, bro. Hey, I didn't know.
oh
Why you
look
don't
at
get I'm saying, why you don't get other people arrested? Why I'm the only person
oh,
arrested, man? Yeah, bro, that's not
yeah, how
that,
this nigga died.
I ain't even do
All right,
nothing,
get that
bro.
nigga 2 hours in that bitch. Give him 2 hours in that bitch.
You can't do that, folks. You can't do that. 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 You can't do. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that, bro. In real life, you will not be able to do that, bro. You supposed to RP, not RPing, right? That's not how you do that shit. Look at them fighting right now. You supposed to come on now. You don't know how to RP. Hey, give me uncuff, bro. Cause I'm on camera, bro. You fucked up the RP, bro. Watch out, bro. Uncuff me right now, cause you just fucked up the RP. How you gonna arrest one person out of all 10, 20 people fighting? Is you dumb? Is you dumb? You supposed to call for backup. You didn't call for no backup, bro. Uncuff me, bro. I know how this shit go in real life. Uncuff me, nigga.
He can't take you to jail for fighting.
That's what I'm saying. What is he doing?
Hey, yo, you
Uncuff
can't
me.
take you to jail for fighting, bro. You know that, right?
Uncuff me, bro.
Yeah,
Hey,
I'm gonna call your surgeon real
nigga,
quick. Let's see who can put your gun away.
Because, cause
All
listen,
right.
they look. If the rules
arrest
say let us
that
fight, then
nigga.
we're
Hey,
gonna
arrest
run this
that
nigga
nigga.
over.
He's a bitch. Yo, good boy. You getting arrested like a good boy. Fuck Will.
Yo, oops. We're getting
Hey,
arrested now.
hey, nah.
Yo, we need backup. We're getting arrested.
Hey,
We need backup. We're getting arrested.
Officers en route.
We need backup. We're getting arrested.
Jack, Jack. Hey, you doing this wrong, Jack? My J, beat that nigga up,
Yo,
bro.
you
Beat
can't say
that
we're
nigga
being
down,
arrested.
bro. Run that
Point
nigga over
five.
the street, bro.
You cannot say we're being arrested for one
Get me
punch,
out the
bro.
street, my J.
OG
Kill that nigga,
Helios, are you
bro.
online,
Kill
sir?
that nigga, my Hurry up, bro.
He just got dead.
A 1.12 is already state issued, sir.
Kill that
Alright,
nigga, bro.
OG Helios, if you
Hey,
have
as soon as you pull
your
out
You can't
the
say
bro,
we're
blow
being
him
arrested for
line,
that.
could you please come to
You
PDG,
can't say
sir?
we're being arrested for that.
That's what I'm saying. What is he doing? Hey, hey, uncuff us right now, you piece of shit. I got freedom of speech. If the people don't want us to fight in the green zone, they would never allowed it. So therefore, they in real life. Come on now, uncuff me, bro. Right,
Look at this nigga.
Did he do
bro, get
something
on,
bad
bro.
now?
No,
Oh,
no,
this
no, he didn't
ran
do
that
anything
nigga
bad. I just wanted
over.
him to talk with
Shit.
Daryl how to use Twitch, that's all,
I
but
was
he's
almost
logged on.
free.
Yo, put
NRP.
him in there.
You can't do that. You're not supposed to let us, bro. You can't arrest us because we was fighting, bro. You can't do that. Man, you can't do that. No, bro, Jay.
Oh, yo, I got double charged. I got double charged. I got double charged.
Hey, we
Supervisor.
finna get out. We finna get out. Don't worry about it.
No, 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 no. I want to see your fucking supervisor right the fuck now. I just got double charged.
RJ, follow us. Follow us, gang.
Nah, we all just got double charged. If we,
You know what's up with this nigga?
Follow, nigga.
Y'all get a car and follow us, man. Follow this. You finna show you know.
Watch it.
Look at these niggas going to jail. See,
Y'all follow us. Hey, BDN, y'all follow us. BDN, y'all follow us, gang. Y'all just follow us, Let's go. He's scared. The police scared. The police scared. Oh man, you done trick my niggas, bro.
I want your supervisor.
Yeah, you can't die.
Oh, yeah, but it's already fucking issued, dumb tard. I want a fucking supervisor. And I want a supervisor to get down to PD, and I want your boss. I don't want someone under you, I want your boss.
So how you gonna
No, because he just issued us all a 1.12. I know that. Well, me and FTO are about to be fucking released.
Oh yeah. And you charged me twice.
Yeah. That's a double charge. That's fail RP, so therefore Reap Soulz is gonna
Yeah, you can't. That's what I'm saying.
Go ahead, go in the garage. No, we're already here. We're already
Go in the garage. Go in the garage.
Come on.
So you can get fired or a reprimand or something.
I'm in HP. You're telling me to leave. I'm not leaving. I want to show you. You need to show me your protocol of what I'm doing. I'm dancing in HP. I'm already healed. I'm not leaving. What are you gonna do? All right, cool. Sir, I can't hear anything you're saying. You need to be verbal.
You's a bitch, nigga.
bro.
Damn, your homeboy left you? Damn.
Yo. Oh,
Nah,
buddy, get out.
hey,
Buddy,
get out. Why don't you get out?
What the fuck?
Hey, nigga, I'm finna be out. Meet me outside.
Good
Meet me
shit
outside.
outside.
You was ducking, fam.
The fuck your game, man.
Silent Wood.
Hey, Jay, we need to declare war on this.
Yo, miss,
Hey, meet me outside. Meet me outside. Pussy.
Nah, you can get shit on again or what, nigga?
I'm finna come out. I'm finna be out.
So we
This shit ain't nothing. This bum money ain't nothing.
I'll be waiting, folks. I got nothing else to do, folks.
This bum money ain't nothing.
I'll be waiting, folks.
This bum money ain't nothing.
Alright, we waiting, folks. You don't got to talking.
Hey,
do you have pills?
hey, this bum money ain't nothing.
What the fuck? Bitch, I'm charging you. Why the fuck you touch me? Hey,